We love this neon sign and floral frame above our bed, but the fake plants we used weren't the best quality, so it was time for an upgrade. We took everything down and got to work. I removed the greenery and replaced it with these artificial boxwood panels that snap together really easily. They're linked in my Amazon storefront. To fit them perfectly in the frame, I cut some pieces down and zip tied them together, and then used a staple gun to secure the whole thing to the back of the frame. I bought a bunch of different fake plants from the craft store, and they turned out to be really hard to get apart, so I had to call in some help. Once we got everything broken down into smaller pieces, I arranged the leaves and flowers how I wanted them and hot glued everything together. I used a lot of hot glue. Then I tied each piece onto the panels with some twine and removed some of the hedging so that everything fit together perfectly. Then we hung the frame back up, secured the neon sign to the wall, hid the wires behind some leaves, and look how pretty. We got the frame for free and we found the neon sign online. It was pricey, so I splurged a little for this project, but you could definitely make something similar to this for pretty cheap. Follow me for more DIYs and colorful home decor.